What's really hiding in your mattress? I'm going to show you how to deep clean your mattress and refresh it using nothing but steam. Okay, let's start by simply stripping off all our bedding ready for washing. Next, vacuum the entire surface of your mattress, not forgetting to focus on the seams and the edges to pick up those dust mites. I'm using a basic design handheld steamer and filling it with some distilled water to prevent the limescale buildup. Now, most handheld models heat up in just a few minutes, which lets us know we're good to go. Now, once it's ready, begin steaming in small sections, moving the steamer slowly to let the heat do the job. Again, pay attention to the edges and the seams. Now try not to overdo it, as you want steam, not puddles. Now let the steamer hover just enough to heat and lift the grime. Now the great thing about steam cleaning your mattress is that it will dry very quickly in a matter of hours, but you can speed it up by opening a window or switching on a fan. Now, want your mattress to smell even better? Well, by just using some baking soda, mix with a few drops of essential oils, and then sprinkle over your mattress. Today, I'm using lavender, which will leave my bedding smelling amazing. Now, just leave for an hour, and then once the time's up, you can vacuum it all off, and it will give your mattress that extra freshness with that added smell of your chosen essential oil. Pop back on your clean bedding and enjoy your mattress, which you've professionally steam cleaned with no chemicals and no hassle. Now here are 2 more videos on steam cleaning that I think you'll find most helpful.